Welcome. Today, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to enable notification permissions for Outlook on your PC using the web browser. Whether you're managing emails or staying updated with incoming messages, enabling notifications ensures you never miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open Outlook from your preferred web browser. Once you're logged into your account, locate the View Site Information icon. This icon is usually positioned right next to the web address in your browser's address bar. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, select Site Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize permissions for the website. Scroll down until you find the option labeled Notifications. Now, here's the crucial step. Next to Notifications, choose Allow. By doing this, you're granting Outlook permission to send notifications directly to your desktop. This means you'll receive alerts for new emails or other updates even when you're not actively browsing the Outlook website. And that's it. You've successfully enabled notification permissions for Outlook on your PC. With this setup, staying on top of your emails becomes easier and more efficient. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit from enabling notifications on their Outlook account. Stay productive and see you next time.